Introducing xDecoder 12.2, the latest version of the software for working with engine control units. Now, the program supports the Ford Continental CD 206 ECU. With xDecoder 12.2, you can remove error codes from this unit. In version 12.1, support for Ford Bosch EDC 17C70 was added, and in 12.0, Toyota Bosch ME 17.9.5X. Constant updates expand the program's capabilities, adding support for more and more ECUs. xDecoder supports ECUs from brands like Ford, Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Bentley, and many others. It's perfect for those working in chip tuning, car repairs, and diagnostics. Don't miss out. Get xDecoder 12.2 or other versions of the program at our online store, balabobby.com. Improve your work with ECUs today. xDecoder 12.2 available from June 7th, 2024.